Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Descript Transcription for YouTube channel. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now if you have your own YouTube channel or if you want to download a YouTube video in YouTube and have a transcription of the specific YouTube video, Descript can offer an amazing feature for you. Now, just like us, we have our own YouTube channel. Of course, we want to use the best editing software out there to help us produce an amazing result. Now, Descript is an amazing editing software that is both simple and powerful at the same time. Now, I'm going to teach you how you could use Descript transcription and how it can be helpful for your YouTube channel or any YouTube video in general. So, over here, if you don't have the editing software or if you don't have the Descript software just yet, you can simply go to descript.com over here, sign up, and then you will be able to download the installer of Descript and you will be able to install it directly to your computer. Now right now, this is Descript. We are currently at the drive view and we are seeing all my recent projects over here. Now, if you have your YouTube channel, of course you would like to upload the best videos that you have. And sometimes editing all the traditional editing software out there can be very time consuming and can be difficult to edit because some are too confusing, some are too simple and doesn't have enough features for us to work with. But with Descript, you will be able to do simple and powerful like I said earlier. Now, how do you use Descript? Now, for example, I just recorded my YouTube video. Now, I'm going to open my Descript over here, click on New Project, and I'm simply going to upload my video through choose a file to transcribe over here. Now, the way Descript offers its editing is through transcription. Anything you do with the transcription will be going to be applied to the main video. For example, you dislike a phrase on your video and it will appear here on transcription section, and when you remove that section, it will remove it also directly from your clip. So you will be able to remove clips with a pinpoint accuracy, and you won't be able to remove or accidentally cut off some words that you're trying to keep in the video. So for example, this is how it would show, or this is what it would look like on an untitled project. You simply upload your file over here and it will automatically transcribe. Now keep in mind that you only have 1 hour of transcription per month, so you have to be careful. You can't use the transcription for all of your videos if you upload tons of videos per month, because it will only update per month. You have 1 hour of transcription only, and you would need to upgrade your transcription limit by upgrading your plan. Now for me, I only have 7 minutes because I have been using Descript a lot this week, so we won't be able to use it after we used up our transcription. You will still be able to use Descript, but you won't be able to use the feature of transcription. Now let's go and check out one of my videos that I already uploaded, and let's see over here on a titled project. I didn't name it yet, so over here right now, actually it's the wrong one. We're going to go back. This is just a normal upload. This is the one with the transcription, one with the title, how to use Google Calendar, and as you can see, this is the transcription process over here on the left side. It will put all the words that you have said in your video, basically make a transcription for your video, and you will be able to see the script or whatever you have said in the video. Now, if you want to see the script, you can simply copy this, Control A, copy the entire text, and you will be able to have a script of what you said in the video, or you can use this to edit your videos as well. For example, you have here, let's go find a paragraph over here. It says, as you can see here, we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I'm going to play it. As you can see here, we have the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now, how you will be able to edit and how this can be useful for you as a YouTuber that has a YouTube channel is it's going to save you time and effort when editing your videos, and you could upload more often. As you can see, for example, I don't want to say the word Tuesday. I'm simply going to select the Tuesday over here and click on backspace, and it will remove that word directly into your clip as well. So for example, when I play it from the start, you will hear a difference. It will no longer say Tuesday. As you can see here, we have the Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. As you can see, it directly went and jumped to the Wednesday directly over here. That's not going to be perfect every time. There will be some instances where the sentence suddenly jumped, the intonation or like the way of speaking, but at least through this way you will be able to have a pinpoint accuracy of what you would like to remove from your transcript. Now there's also a feature where you can remove the words and which is something a lot of YouTubers do. Myself also do that. Like I would say in between my sentences, and you could easily remove that through this feature over here that would remove or shorten gap words over here, remove filler words, and you will be able to remove all the and words from your message. For example, over here you have the I could easily remove this by simply backspacing and remove that from my transcription over here, and when I play it, specific space that you have, it no longer said the word There's also other things that you could meddle with in the script. You could simply, edit the properties over here on the right side, and after editing your video, after being satisfied with the output of your video, simply publish it over here, and then you can upload it to your YouTube channel. Now, this is not limited to YouTube channel. You could also use it for any YouTube video that you find. For example, I have this YouTube video about a tutorial or like a lesson. I could simply download that YouTube video through an MP4 downloader, and I could upload the video into Descript and have a transcription produced for me, and now I can see the entire text of what the professor or the lecture is about. If ever you are able to learn better while reading the transcription or while reading a script, and that will be helpful also for you. Now you could use other types of videos. You're not limited to having videos only. You could also do this for audio or all of those stuff. You could do this for podcasts, and depending on what you would like to use it for. Now let's check out the different plans for the script. We could click on upgrade over here, click on compare plans, and we could visit all the different plans available in this script. You have your annual over here, which would save you 20% with annual billing. For the annual, you have $12, $24, and for the enterprise, it will have to be custom depending on your interaction with the script. And each plan has its different features, as you can see here. For the transcription, for the creator, you will have 10 hours over here, and for the pro, you will have 30 hours per month over here. You have unlimited for creator and pro for the watermark fee, and you have 4K and 4K over here, and you have other options over here. And there's also monthly. It's different for monthly. It's $15 and $30 over here. All plans include transcription, editing, screen recording, templates, stock media, and caption over here. So you will be able to receive all of the features available in this script if ever you did upgrade your plan. Now, even if you don't upgrade your plan, you will still be able to use the script with all of its potential, but you're going to have to wait like a month before the transcription would refresh. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.